Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Flash Powermop. At the time of recording, I picked this up from Amazon for £22. It normally sells for around £30. I've also seen this in Asda and Tesco's for around £19 to £20, but that comes with 6 pads. This, as you can see there, comes with 10 pads. If you want to pick this up, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I've also reviewed the Flash Speed Mop. I will leave a pop-up card and a link in the description box below if you want to watch that review. Leave a comment if you've used either of these mops and what are your thoughts. Remember, if you find the video useful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to watch more reviews. Okay, let's have a quick look at the packaging and then of course I'll unbox it. We'll put the mop together and then do a demonstration as well. As you can see there, included 10 pads, fresh scent solution and 4 batteries. On this side is letting us know how to assemble it. Nothing much on this side. Same. Okay, let's open it. Oops. The first thing, instruction manual. Letting you know what's included. On this side, how to set it up. And it's letting us know it's suitable for different type of floors. Some batteries. That's good that they come included. They're AA batteries. 500 milliliter solution, fresh scent. I'm pretty sure you could use your own as well once this runs out, but you'll need this bottle because that cap does not come off. It stays on and then you insert it there, which I'll show you in a bit. So you will need this bottle, but you can get extra ones of these as well if you want to pick them up. Some pads. There are 10 pads. I've taken one out just to show you. So that part would connect on to the actual mop head. I think that's for stubborn dirt. Once you've used these, of course, you just peel them off and throw them away. The handle, it's got a rubber hook on there. Well, the outer bit's rubber, that's plastic. If you want to hang the mop up, that's the spray button there. The main body, the batteries would go in there. I'll do that in a bit. Just want to show you the inside. The bottle would fit in there. When you want to remove the bottle, you'd push this. It does swivel around. 2 nozzles to let the actual solution out. That's rubber, so that's good if you hit into your skirting boards. They won't get scratched. The rest is plastic. To apply the pad, the side with the writing, that would fit on. The bottle would go one way because there's an arrow there and it's saying this side towards the pole, which of course the pole is that way. So put that in. Make sure it clicks into place. The handle, assemble it like that first. Then the other end would go there. As you can see, it's got them 2 parts there. It would only go in one way. That locks into place as well. Okay, let's put the batteries in. You could see the arrow is pointed upwards. Just push that upwards. You could see there, the 4 batteries would fit in there. Letting you know which way is plus and minus. Minus. Facing down. Facing. Still down. See the 2 cutouts there. Just snap back in. And there we have it, one fully assembled Flash Powermop. Okay, let's get on with some floor cleaning. You join me in my kitchen. I haven't cleaned the floor for a week because I knew I was going to get this and I'd like to give it a fair try. Just push the button. She lets the solution out. It is quite light. It does have a slim profile. Good to get under furniture. I finished my kitchen. As you can see, the pad, it is quite dirty. It is a decent mop. Would I recommend this? I wouldn't, because in the long run, it would work out expensive. You could get a spray mop for around the same price, £20, £18. I actually reviewed one on my channel. That way you could use your own solution. You get microfiber pads and you could pick up extras as well, and you machine wash them, reuse them. You don't have to throw them away. With this one, Flash say you have to use their own solution, which you don't have to. You could use your own as well, as long as you keep that bottle. Buying the bottle, buying the pads, it soon adds up. It's up to you. It is a good mop in terms of cleaning. It has cleaned the floor fairly good. It doesn't over wet the floors. I don't understand why Flash felt the need to put batteries in to use the spray mop. They could have just put a button in there that you could have pressed and the solution could have been pumped out like the spray mops do. But they've included batteries in there, so you've got to factor that cost in as well, because when these batteries run out, you're going to need to buy your own batteries, 4 AA ones. I mean, I know they don't cost that much, but it adds up, doesn't it? The pads, the solution, the batteries. I would recommend just get a spray mop. You get microfiber pads, you're done with that. But on the other hand, if you want something that once you've mopped, you could just throw the pads away, then by all means, I'll leave a link in the description box below for this. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.